Hi. So this is a system that can convert your data, your project management data, into a visual form. So basically, we can specify different segments, or we can specify the names of different persons to which the tasks have been assigned, or the sections of the company that are working on different tasks. And we have a list of all the tasks, and we can specify icons for different levels of the task, and we can specify the color of that icon. So maybe I can specify red for this one. So basically, in the configuration section, I can change multiple values, different parameters of the generated graphic. And when I click on this button to create the timeline, so this dialog comes up, and I have specified that I want a chart that starts from 1st January. So basically it generates all the different months, the data for that, and it populates the different tasks on that in the form of a calendar. And here if I want, I can double click on anything and I can change its parameters like color, or if I want to move it to a different date and things like that. And we have a legend in the bottom, and we can download it as a PDF, or we can save it as an image, this entire chart. So basically we can later print it. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you very much.